I got a sweet tooth, but I stay away from suckers.
I take the whole city down with this. Wanna be down, wanna dash, wanna go fast, wanna be brave, wanna move like an assassin. Just to be frank, it's not for the faint of heart. And the only question left is, where do we start?
We're here at the Marion County Fairgrounds. This thing has taken about a year and a half, going back and forth with the insurance company, going over it with engineers, drone footage, walked every building, every square inch of this thing. Finally got it approved. With COVID, we had to slow down the process because we couldn't get the metal. Now that we do have the metal, the guys wanted to have winter work, so they have winter work. We can apply all of the metal during the winter. We have a total of 770 square worth of metal work. The insurance company, once the engineers came, did not have a problem. They circled every hail hit, every ding. All the gutters are getting replaced, downspouts, shingle roofs. Every shingle roof out here has been replaced yet so far. Then March, we're coming back when the weather gets up past 40, 45 degrees and reseal all of the buildings, all of the roofs.
Definitely keep us in mind, we got you covered. 317-360 Roof will come out, give you a free roof inspection, advocate on your behalf with your insurance provider, and get you back to pre-storm condition.
I take the whole city down with this.